Clustering. Clustering is an unsupervised machine learning technique used to group similar data points based on their features or patterns. The algorithm analyzes the data, identifies similarities between data points, and groups them into clusters without using labeled data. Why clustering is used? Clustering helps to discover hidden patterns and structures in data. It is commonly used in customer segmentation, grouping customers based on behavior or preferences. Image compression, reducing image size by grouping similar pixels. Document grouping, organizing documents with similar content. Anomaly detection, identifying unusual or abnormal data points. Medical data analysis, grouping patients or diseases based on symptoms or test results. Fuzzy C-means clustering. Fuzzy C-means, FCM, is an unsupervised clustering algorithm in which each data point can belong to multiple clusters with different degrees of membership. Unlike K-means clustering, where each data point belongs to only one cluster, FCM assigns a membership value between 0 and 1 to every data point for each cluster. These membership values indicate how strongly a data point belongs to a particular cluster. FCM is especially useful when cluster boundaries are unclear or overlapping, which is common in real-world data. Simple example. Consider 3 students with the following scores. Student A is equal to 90. Student B is equal to 85. Student C is equal to 40. The goal is to form 2 clusters. High score. Low score. In fuzzy C means. Student A. High score, 0.90. Low score, 0.10. Student B. High score, 0.70. Low score, 0.30. Student C. High score, 0.05. Low score, 0.95. This shows that a single student can belong to both clusters, but with different degrees of membership. Fuzzy C means algorithm. It uses 3 inputs. They are data set, number of clusters, C, fuzziness parameter, m greater than 1, usually m equal to 2. Algorithm steps. Initialize the membership matrix U randomly, where each value lies between 0 and 1. Compute cluster centers using weighted membership values. Update the membership matrix based on distances between data points and cluster centers. Repeat steps 2 and 3 until the change in membership matrix is less than a threshold. Stop and output final cluster centers and membership matrix. Result. Each data point belongs to multiple clusters with different degrees of membership. Advantages. Supports soft clustering, allowing data points to belong to multiple clusters. Provides more accurate cluster boundaries for overlapping data. Flexible and robust for real-world datasets. Works well in image segmentation tasks. Disadvantages. Slow computation compared to hard clustering methods. Sensitive to noise and outliers. Requires the number of clusters to be defined in advance. May get stuck in local minima. Applications of fuzzy C means, FCM. Image processing, used for image segmentation and object detection. Pattern recognition, groups similar patterns with overlapping features. Data mining, finds hidden clusters in large datasets. Bioinformatics, clusters genes and biological data.